Hi children, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Today our first problem is see here a rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long and 3 1 by centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. Okay, see here children. Here a rectangular sheet of paper is given. Means a paper is in the shape of rectangle. A paper is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, this is the shape of the paper, and its length is, and it is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long. This is the long is 5 2 by 3 centimeters, and it's 3 1 by 5 centimeters wide, and it is 3 1 by 5 centimeters wide. Wide means here breadth we have to take, long means we have to take the length of the rectangle. Okay, so here two lengths are given. By using these two lengths, we have to find the perimeter of the paper. Okay, rectangular sheet, perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Okay children, see here first see here, if you observe here mixed fractions are given. First of all we have to convert that mixed fractions into improper fractions, and then we have to find the rectangular perimeter. Okay, so solution, first of all write what is given in the question. So given length or long, okay, take anything if you want. Length of the rectangular sheet. What is the length of the rectangular sheet? 5 2 by 3 centimeters. See here it is 5 2 by 3 centimeters, means it is mixed fraction. So convert this into improper fraction. How can we convert? Simply 5 2 by 3 is the number. Simply multiply these two numbers. Okay, multiply these two numbers. If you multiply 3 into 5 got 15. Now add plus 2 that answer. Now add plus 2 that answer, means 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 3 centimeters it is. Okay, what is the length of the rectangular sheet? 17 by 3 centimeters. Now breadth or width, take anything of the rectangular sheet. One is given 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Convert it. Multiply these two numbers. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 5 centimeters. Okay. Now find the perimeter. We know the length. Now find the perimeter by using the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle? Is 2 into L plus B. We know that 2 into L plus B. So substitute the length and breadth here. 17 by 3 plus 16 by 5. Okay, now add these two numbers. See here 2 into 17 by 3 plus 16 by 5. These two are different numbers, so take LCM for 3 and 5. What is the LCM for 3 and 5? 3 and 5 LCM is 3 5 is 50. Okay. So in 3 table 15 is how many times? 5 times. Okay. 5 into 17 is in numerator, plus in 5 table 15 is 3 times. 3 into 16. Okay. Now 2 into 5 into 17. 5 17s 85 plus 3 16s, it is 48 by 15. 2 into 85 plus 48. Add these two numbers. 5 plus 8 equal to 13, and 1 is added to 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. 133 by 15. That equal to here 2 we have. So 266 by 15 centimeters. What is the perimeter here? Perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 266 by 15 centimeters. Okay, this is in fractional form. If you want to write it is in a mixed fraction, convert this into mixed fraction by dividing these two numbers. Okay, children? Okay, see here, second problem. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5/12 part of his course content. So here, Abdul is preparing for his final exam. Means here he is preparing for one exam only. He is preparing for one exam only. So he has completed 5/12 part of his course content. Means I am preparing for maths examination. I am completed 5/12 part of my maths examination syllabus. Means I have prepared for the final exam maths. I completed 5/12 of this textbook. I completed 5/12 of this textbook. So I completed this 5/12 part from only one textbook. Only one textbook. So from one textbook I am completed 5/12. Then the answer is the remaining part. Okay. So simply we have to subtract the given in the one. Why I am taking one? So I am preparing for one exam only. One exam only I am preparing for one exam only. That's why I am subtracting from one. Okay. So Abdul completed a part. He completed 5/12. Okay. Total course equal to 1. So remaining part equal to 1 minus 5/12. Okay. So here, what is in the denominator? 1. Say take LCM for 1 and 12. What is the LCM for 1 and 12? LCM is 12. Okay. In one table it is 12 times. So 12 into 1 minus in further it is 1 time 1 into 5. 12 minus 5/12. That equal to 7/12. So what is the remaining part? 7/12 of the course is remained. Okay. He has to prepare 12/12, 7/12. Okay. Okay, children, see here. This is the homework problem for you. A recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? So see here, a recipe requires 3 1/4 cups. A recipe requires 3 1/4 cups. Okay. So Radha has only 1 3/8 cups. She didn't have total flour. So she has only 1 3/8 cups of flour. So how much amount, how many cups of flour does she needed? So find the how many cups does she needed in the for the preparation of the flour. Means you have to take subtraction here. Okay, children, do this problem as homework. Thank you. Bye. See you in next class.